4,000 Essential English Words 1, Second Edition. Paul Nation. Copyright 2018, Compass Publishing. All rights reserved. Unit 1. Word list. Agree. To agree is to have the same opinion or belief as another person.
The students agree they have too much homework.
Alcohol. Alcohol is a type of drink that can make people drunk.
A person should not drive a car after he or she has been drinking alcohol.
Arrive. To arrive is to get somewhere.
They arrived at school at 7 a.m.
August. August is the 8th month of the year.
Is your birthday in August?
Boat. A boat is a vehicle that moves across water.
There is a small boat on the lake.
Breakfast. Breakfast is the morning meal.
I ate eggs for breakfast.
Camera. A camera is a piece of equipment that takes pictures.
I brought my camera on my vacation.
Capital. A capital is a city where a country's government is based.
The capital of the United States is Washington, D.C.
Catch. To catch is to grab or get something.
Did you catch the ball during the baseball game?
Duck. A duck is a small water bird.
People feed ducks at the lake.
Enjoy. To enjoy is to like something.
The woman enjoys riding her bicycle.
Invite. To invite is to ask someone to come to a place or event.
I will invite my friends to my birthday party.
Love. To love is to like something or someone a lot.
I love my family very much.
Month. A month is one of the 12 periods of time in 1 year.
January is the first month of the year.
Travel. To travel is to go to a faraway place on vacation or business.
They will travel to Argentina this summer.
Typical. If something is typical, it is normal, or something that usually happens.
My typical breakfast is toast and eggs.
Visit. To visit is to go and spend time in another place or see another person.
She wants to visit her grandmother.
Weather. Weather is the temperature and the state of the outdoors.
Today's weather is rainy and cloudy.
Week. A week is a period of time that is 7 days long.
What are you doing next week?
Wine. Wine is an alcoholic drink made from grapes.
The store carried both red and white wine.